creamy pumpkin soup. Wash the pumpkin, dry it, cut it in half, then cut into large slices. Cut off the rough skin and remove the insides with seeds. Cut the pulp into cubes. Peel and finely chop the onion. Peel the garlic and finely chop or pass through a garlic squeezer. In a saucepan, heat the butter with vegetable oil, put the onion, lightly salt, pepper and fry over low heat until transparent. Add garlic and sauté with onion for 1 minute. Add pumpkin cubes, sprinkle with a pinch of sugar and sauté, stirring occasionally, 5 to 6 minutes. Pour in 1 to 1.2 liters of water and bring to a boil. Cook at a low boil for about 20 minutes until the pumpkin is soft. Puree the soup with a blender. Pour in the cream, season to taste with salt and pepper, and mix. When serving, decorate the cream soup with pumpkin seeds and croutons. Bon appétit!